Unpacking the GMAT and GRE, a dive into critical thinking, analytical writing, and problem solving. Hello, English learners. Today we're going to delve into a very crucial aspect of the GMAT and GRE exams, their purpose in assessing critical thinking, analytical writing, and problem-solving skills. Understanding the core purpose behind these exams will not only help you prepare better but will also give you clarity on what skills you're being tested on. Let's get started. Both GMAT, used mainly for business schools, and GRE, used for many graduate programs, have been designed to predict your potential for success in advanced studies. One can't just rely on memorizing facts for such pursuits. Graduate schools look for students who can think critically, analyze situations or statements and determine if they make sense, are logical, or represent sound reasoning. Write analytically, express complex ideas clearly, logically, and effectively. Solve problems. Use quantitative reasoning to interpret data and solve problems. When you're faced with complex passages or intricate questions, it's not just about what you know. It's about how you think. Critical thinking tests your ability to break down information, detect assumptions and limitations, evaluate arguments. For example, in the GMAT verbal section, you'll find questions that require you to find assumptions or evaluate arguments. Similarly, the GRE verbal reasoning section has questions where you'll need to analyze and draw conclusions. This section is explicitly designed to check how you present an argument, support it with evidence, convey your thoughts in a structured manner. Both the GMAT and GRE have an analytical writing assessment. In this, you'll be tasked with analyzing an argument or issue, and it's your job to write clearly, persuasively, and logically. The GMAT and GRE aren't just about words. They also test how effectively you can solve problems using your mathematical skills. This involves quantitative reasoning. Understand, interpret, and analyze quantitative information. Problem solving. Apply basic arithmetic, algebra, and geometry skills to solve problems. Remember, it's not just about getting the correct answer, but understanding the best approach to arrive at that answer. Both GMAT and GRE are not just testing your knowledge, but more importantly, your ability to think critically, write with clarity and structure, and solve problems efficiently. As you prepare, focus on honing these essential skills. We hope this deep dive gives you a clearer perspective on your preparation journey. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.